Hello. In this video, I want to take a quick look at the edit mode we use in SeedCode Complete. If you go to these different layouts, you'll see they all have an edit button here. And to make changes to this record, we need to hit this edit button. And then we slide over to a hidden panel. And we actually hold this record open using an on-commit script trigger. So we can make changes to related records here and make changes to the parent record. And then if we hit our cancel button, we can revert this record and get kind of a natural cancel experience where everything reverts back. Obviously, if we hit the save button, then these changes will take effect permanently. We see the email's gone. It's still gone there. So we really like using edit mode in FileMaker and in SeedCode Complete in particular. So that script trigger that we use, the on-commit script trigger, can make getting into layout mode here a little bit tricky. You see if we go to layout mode, it looks like nothing's happening. And there is something happening, but you need to turn the debugger on to see it. So if we go into layout mode, you'll see the on-commit script trigger is trying to fire. It is firing, but it's going to run into this variable that we have set called noCommit, and that's how we enforce our edit mode. So it's going to see that that has been set to 1. And so it's going to exit this script with a false result. And that's going to cause the event that called this script, the onRecordCommit event, to not complete. So we don't get any error messages or anything. The record can't commit, so we can't go into layout mode. So probably the easiest way to get around this, and this is what I do, is I just always start from this front panel, and then I click on the very edge, and then I navigate to the panel that I want. So the second one is always going to be the edit one. And then we have the various selectors that we need. And then we have find mode will be the last panel. So that's kind of on this big back panel set. So click right on the edge, bring up your little controller, and find the one you want. You can also use the script debugger to bypass that false script result. So if I go in here and I have FileMaker Advanced, I can use the script debugger, and then I can try to go into layout mode, and I can bypass this script step here, like set it in here, use this button on the script debugger to make that the next step that executes and just run it to the end. And then we just blow right by that false result and we get right into layout mode here. Now that gets you a little bit out of sync when you go back into browse mode with our variables and everything. So you'll need to run this custom menu we have that brings back the buttons and then kind of toggle through edit mode once, and everything will right itself that way. That's why I kind of like just going in from this front tab panel when we're not in edit mode to make changes back here. But you can do it the other way. Either way is fine. And that's basically it. Thanks very much for watching.